You can sing a song by yourself and then we'll just take turns. Which one should I sing? Quick, hurry up and decide because we don't got that much time left.
Something that you know.
Which one do you think I'm good at though?
Are you recording now?
Yeah.
You idiot, you're not.
Why do you think I'm acting so nice to you instead of punching you across the face?
I don't know. Why are you recording now? Why don't we...
Because I want to record our experience in the truck overnight.
Oh yeah! Sing. What child is this?
Okay. What child is this who lay to rest on Mary's lap? A light just went off in my house. Whom angels greet with anthems sweet, while shepherds watch our keeping. Your turn.
I don't want to sing along though.
Okay. This. We'll start with this. This. You're not even singing with me.
Oh, okay.
This is Christ the King, whom shepherds guard. I can't sing that low. How about, there once was a man who loved a woman. Something about he never loved much as he, but me, I love you more. We.